Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 17. This is Section 1.4, Problem 17. It says, what is 17 fewer than 345? So this is a subtraction. I need to subtract 345 minus 17. And as I write it out, I want to write it with the 345 as the upper number, 17 beneath it, and I want to write it so that the rightmost digits of the 345 and the 17 line up vertically. So now I will focus on the rightmost column of digits, and I have to subtract 5 minus 7. Now the 5 is not large enough to subtract 7 from, so I need to borrow. So I will move over one column of digits to the left, find the digit in the upper position of that column. It's a 4. I will cross it off, reduce it to a 3. Now I can take the 5 from the rightmost column, put a 1 in front of it, and change it from a 5 into a 15. Now I can subtract 15 minus 7, which is 8. And once I have the answer, I move over one column of digits to the left, and I will subtract 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then I move over one column of digits to the left. The last column, I have 3 minus nothing at all underneath it. So 3 minus nothing is just 3. And the final answer would be 328.